Hey traders, Akil here from Triple Threat Trading. I was just about to record a trading video for our six-figure syndicate members when I clicked on the web page and saw that Jason already posted one looking at two potential cipher patterns on the pound yen, as well as some very powerful talk about trading psychology. Now, for those who may not know what the syndicate is, I'll talk about that a little bit later, but I figured since I already had this video on my mind, I might as well give it out for free as sort of a syndicate sampler, I guess, as if you needed a sampler for something that's 20 bucks a month anyway. But here's what I had my eye on. Right now I'm on Aussie New Zealand on our 2-hour chart, so 120 minutes. And as most of you can see, or some of you can see already, we have a potential advanced pattern setting up. And if I click on this, there we go. If I draw this in, you look, we have our X to A leg, A to B leg, B to C leg, and our C to D leg for a cipher pattern completion, completing right around 130.40. And let me just double check and make sure that's the right level. Should be looking for our 786. Okay, so 130.42 for our cipher pattern completion here on Aussie New Zealand. Now here's the cool part. If I draw my line in, let's thicken that up a little bit, and I go out to say a daily chart, you'll see that this cipher pattern completion lines up right at a previous high, another previous high, and some structure lows from this spike high as well. So a pretty good level to get involved in this cipher pattern, obviously if it's something that's in your trading plan. Now, something else I want to take a look at really quick, and I brought this up to syndicate members a few weeks ago, was dollar Canada. Let me first go ahead and delete all this. But I don't have a advanced pattern or a trade entry at the moment here on dollar CAD, but I do have a level that I think we should keep our eye on. And that level comes in right in between here. And again, you can see the market came in here and once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7, 8. Seems like a million times it's bounced off this level of resistance. Now, as the market comes down, we'll see that we're reapproaching this level, and I would not be surprised if the market ran into consolidation or this level became a potential reversal zone. Now, just to give us some more reasoning, let's bring in a few Fibonacci. We're bringing our Fibonacci retracements, swing low to swing high. You see our 618 comes in right here. If I zoom in and we take some Fibonacci extensions from some of our previous moves, swing high, swing low, back up, you'll see that we also have a minor Fibonacci extension, our 1414 coming in right down near our 618. We could even take the middle move here, swing high to swing low, and back up. You'll see we have our 127 in here. And even if we take our last move, our last press down, swing high to swing low and back, you'll see we have another 127 extension just a little bit lower. Now again, we have a nice zone between this 10045 and our $1 even handle. And for you guys that have been in the live room and have been syndicate members for a while, you know that these even handles, especially $1 here, are usually pretty important. So again, no type of trade that I would take at this level, but I think it's an area that you might want to keep your eye on, especially if you're trading off lower time frames for a potential reversal, whether it be off a double bottom, maybe ABCD completion, Gartley, bat, butterfly, any one of our advanced patterns. So I hope you enjoyed this free 6-figure syndicate video, and if you're interested in receiving trading ideas such as this or the pound yen that Jason posted earlier today, here's how you can get involved. Simply go to forexmarketpreview.com, click on the syndicate, join the syndicate, and it'll give you all the information you need. But basically, Jason and I put out trade ideas and every once in a while some training videos about 2 or 3 times a week on the swing trading time frame, so looking at hourly charts and up for the most part, and they get delivered straight to your email. So for less than $20, it's a pretty good bargain. Lastly, if you're a trader that's involved on Facebook, feel free to join our group page on Facebook. It's called the T2T Ratio Room Group. And over the past 6 months, we've been able to develop a pretty amazing collection of traders that are both new and experienced. And I'll tell you this, the material that is discussed day in and day out on that page is just insane. Usually when you get this many traders together, you tend to see a lot of, not a lot of, but certain traders bragging or attempting to put down other traders by making themselves feel better, or telling the newer traders that, hey, you're wrong and you shouldn't be doing this. However, on this page, so far I've seen nothing but support for and from everybody that's involved. So if you're constantly on Facebook and you're looking for a place to get some trading support or share some ideas, feel free to check it out. So I'll see many of you in the live room tomorrow, normal time, as we look to end our month in the green for the 7th straight month in a row, which is pretty cool. And for the rest of you, I'll see you in the Syndicate. Take care, traders. Follow your rules.